What's up, YouTube? In today's video, you are going to see how I take a church who currently sounds like this and you're going to see, if you pay attention closely, how I get them to sound like this. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. Pay attention, you might learn something. Let's jump in. I want a church girl that go to church and read her Bible. What's up, YouTube? Another day, another mix, I suppose. Today, we've got this dude, this homeboy named David Gilbert. And I don't know anything about them. Again, it's a name that is in my pipeline, so I'm gonna mix them. By the way, I got glasses. I feel unstoppable. We are at Wellspring Worship Center. Let's check them out. All right, let's see what we're working with here. Beautiful stage. That guitar sounds nice, actually. Whoa, look at this. The drummer is like, he's sunken in the floor. Oh, they did that so that there could be room for the lyric screen. I like that. Hey, if it works, it works. She has a great voice. It's a shame that she's not up front. I think they have a DAW mix already. Maybe. This drum kit sounds fantastic, actually. All right, we're dealing with some people who aren't bad, so let's do our thing. I learned a magic trick lately, and I want to show you guys. Check it out. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Look at this magic trick. All their tracks are now organized. How cool is that? Okay, kick drum. This one's obviously gonna be more of a sub, well isolated snare. Very nicely isolated snare. That sounds really good. We're still gonna trigger it, of course. Very well isolated, love it. These guys know what they're... It is, I don't say this very often, it's really rare, if you hear the beeping, what are you gonna do? It's really rare that you get a church that obviously has good microphone technique and microphone etiquette. I can tell that these guys are, I can tell that they have someone really smart behind the booth. I can tell with these guys in particular. Yikers! See, their acoustics sounded really good, so I need to also make it sound really good. I could tell that it sounded good on their stream. Very cool. Throw it in some reverb. Okay. Let's all shake it off. Woo! Shake it off, shake it off. Let's grab the keys. Sounds pretty good. Let's hit the pads and synths. Very cozy. Good. Okay, rooms. So that'll keep the room mics really open during quiet moments and really closed off during big moments. That's the idea, at least. We'll see if it pans out. That violin needs a lot more reverb. Needs to come down a little. Okay. Woo! Everybody take a quick breather. Take a quick chill pill, everybody. I need to take I need to do a quick recalibration, if I'm being honest. Let me get a demo that I did earlier with a similar vibe.
Of Jesus on the cross.
Whew, okay. It's not too far off. Just gotta reel it in. Dare I say I'm becoming the meme where it's like,
Bro, you've been tuning your snare for 4 hours.
It's not even turned on.
We sing it louder.
sometimes hard cuts is what it's all about. Get that starting point perfect.
Who is like you, Lord our God?
Just way less reverb.
We stand in awe of all you've done. Oh, we've seen your love 1,000 ways. Yet age to age, you've never changed. And all the honor and all the power and all the praise is yours forever and ever.
It's a muddy mess right now. We gotta clear it all up.
Is the Lord, let the earth and heaven roar, singing worthy is the Lord. Oh, worthy is the Lord. Oh, worthy is the
I like the loudness, so I really like how it sounds when it's low like this. So now the part that just validates me a little bit, let's check out what they sounded like maybe around this part. This is about 5 minutes in, and they start here. So let's go to 19 and a half-ish. I feel like there might be some kind of phasing thing happening as well. Yeah, something's going on there, so I'm gonna have to focus on that during the install, but
And all the honor, all the power, and all the praise, it's yours forever. All our worship, we sing it loud.
I might even start the demo here actually. Yeah, I'm gonna start it there actually.
Saints and angels come together and praise your name. Oh, we join with the heavens and praise your name. It's all yours, it's all yours, Lord.
And then they transition into Great Are You Lord. That works out well. I like that. It's technically one song, 1.1 songs, whatever, but we are gonna mix that down and ship it off to them. thank you for watching this. If you made it this far, I'm wondering if I should drift into a different kind of content, maybe. I want to keep doing these. These are obviously a lot of fun, and I think that there's a small number of people who want to watch it. But I also think that after I do a certain number of these, I might want to do a kind of video that's like more informational and like edited way better and has like animations and graphics and stuff that's like, here are the 5 things that you need to have a broadcast that doesn't suck or whatever. Which I don't want to make that because that sounds like a lot of work, but that might get like more views and stuff. And so, you know, I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about all this stuff. But anyway, if you made it this far, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for being here. And if you enjoyed the video, please like it. Please comment on the video. I did not think I would love the comments as much as I do. I love when people ask questions, and I love when people engage. It feels good because I love answering questions, because there's nothing worse than having a question about something and not being able to scratch the itch of the question and figuring it out. So thank you for leaving comments, all you people who are, and like asking questions like, where'd you get the samples? Do you use these AirPods for everything? Whatever, lots of questions, but thank you so much, and I really appreciate it, and I'm having a blast doing these, and I'm glad that they're not just hitting a brick wall and getting 0 views altogether and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.